For me, gender is all about complexities in 2018 and all about living a private life. For me, gender today is very personal and private choice. I, coming from the land of Kama Sutra, but also celebrating the very existence of Ardhanarishwar, completely celebrate my own gender existence, my own gender binary of LGBTQ community. To be very frank, there's not been even a single day in my life where I have not been subjected to be smirked off or to be laughed about my own nuances, about my femininity. We as cultural, so-called moral society have injected the behavior pattern for a man to behave like so much that anybody who chooses to go beyond and refuses to accept what is considered to be normal is considered to be questionable. So while I was coming out of my identity as who I was very much told that why don't you stay silent about your gender orientations? And I was like, but why? No, because it is wrong to talk about it. But I thought it was never wrong to talk about who you are. And that is why I chose to voice upon and say that yes, I'm a proud Indian, I'm a proud LGBTQ community person, and both of them are my identity very much equal. And this is what the so-called pressure to which I never succumbed made me more rebellious to talk something which I always thought is right.